Crusader Hose is excited to be part of Australian Made Week.
As a local manufacturer of flexible Layflat hose and reel systems used in many industry sectors, we have supported the Australian economy for over 37 years.
Australian Made Week is a great time to celebrate our success in a market saturated with imports.
By supporting local manufacturing, you are supporting the advancement of labor skills, technology transfers, research and development, lean manufacturing techniques and approaches, and improved manufacturing techniques. Local manufacturing also affords the opportunity to offer high-paying jobs in technology, engineering, and management. By supporting Australian manufacturing, everybody wins.
We are proud to have our products bear the Australian Made logo.
It's a vote of confidence for our customers that our products are reliable and of high quality.
Come on, Aussie, get behind the campaign and support Australian Made.